Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Taking a leap into showbiz was something to be grateful for. The youth-oriented program Twin Hearts in 2010 catapulted this Kapuso heartthrob to fame. 10 years later, it's without a doubt that he's come a long way in his career. For today's Biztalk, girls are in for a treat because we will be joined by one of GMA's in-demand actors and Kapuso Millennial Hunk, Derrick Monasterio! Masantos ikaw Masan, Derrick, and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV!
Good morning, Ara, and good morning to everyone who's listening now.
Wow naman! Napakagandang umaga naman yan! Kamusta ka, Derrick?
I'm good. I'm safe. We're just here at home chilling with my family. So, yeah.
How is your 2021 looking so far?
Solid. I had a lot of opportunities. I had a lot of online work. And of course, I'm doing Legal Wives. And basically, that's pretty much about it. Every day I'm working out. I'm trying to wake up early. I'm trying to sleep early. Yun. Kasi that's my New Year's resolution eh.
And speaking of Legal Wives, how do you feel about being given good projects in Kapuso Network?
Yes, I'm very thankful kasi they entrusted me the character of Edgar sa Legal Wives. Basically, Edgar's character he's a Catholic guy who will fall in love with a Muslim girl, which is si Bianca. So basically dun pa lang meron ng conflict. That's Edgar's conflict, yung religion. Ang kailangan abangan ng mga kapuso nating Dagupenyo is kung paano gagawin ni Edgar na possible yung forbidden love na yun. Like, ano yung mga haharapin niyang obstacles. So, yun, kailangan nilang abangan talaga yun.
Can you tell us about your role and how different it is kumpara sa mga roles na nagampanan mo na in the past?
Yes, this is very different kasi there are a lot of people who are sensitive about this topic eh. I mean, religion is a sensitive topic and talagang mahirap siya i-act. Buti na lang meron kaming mga super gagaling na writers and researchers na pinag-aralang mabuti yung kung paano tatakbo yung show. Of course, headed by Miss Suzette Doctolero, our head writer, na talagang we know we're in good hands. We know we're safe. She's very knowledgeable about these stuff. So for me, as an actor, ang gagawin lang namin is to give it our best.
Wow, that's very interesting, ah! How did you prepare for the role?
Medyo kailangan ko magpapayat ng onte. Medyo kailangan ko mag-research about the Muslim culture, do's and don'ts. Kasi may mga ganun yan eh. May mga kailangan hindi pala pwede ganito kasi may pagka-offensive sa kanila. So hindi pwedeng hawakan sa ganito, hindi pwedeng makita yung hair nila kahit na isang strand lang ng hair kasi kailangan always covered by the hijab. So maraming mga ganon. So for me, it's all about research. Very technical stuff. Yun. Kasi baka may ma-offend tayo ng mga Muslim eh. So yun.
Nako, Derrick, I know your transformation didn't happen overnight and it took a lot of hard work and discipline. What are the exercises or physical activities that you do to achieve your ultimate body goal?
Basically mga bodyweight workout. So, I'm more into CrossFit now. It's not the conventional bodybuilding. CrossFit kasi is a combination of HIIT and heavy lifting. So, I'm basically puro time. Under time pressure lagi yung CrossFit. And this really helped my body to be in shape. As in, I saw the difference talaga when I started doing it. Siguro mga 1 month. And every day, there's not a single day that my body wasn't feeling pain. So talagang every day, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. And 15 days, may nakita agad akong results. So kahit na hindi ako ganun ka-strict yung diet ko, may nakuha pa rin ako results. Especially now, I built my own home gym. Andito sa bahay ngayon.
Mga kapuso, abangan bukas ang second part ng aming panayam kay Derrick Monasterio. Diyan lamang kayo, magbabalik ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.